Alright everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel, and to all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video, and to stay tuned on in towards the second half of this video, guys. I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys that you won't want to miss, as well as the opportunities that were found this morning that I shared with the members over at the Discord. And if you want to become part of that and you want to know live updates on what stocks I'm watching, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you will become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together to maximize profits and minimize losses. Now, this was our home run of the day. We're going to look at this chart in just a moment. After this chart analysis, I made 36% plus on this opportunity. This turned out to be a phenomenal home run, and it's still going. It's up actually 70% plus since I mentioned it. We're going to look at all of that in just a moment. But here we are with WISH Stock, WISH Stock, ContextLogic Inc. Now, this is a stock that has so much hype around it. It was the #1 talked about stock in Reddit forums, Wall Street bets in the last several days. And here we are with it pulling back. Now, some would say that this is a setback. Others would say this is a setup for the next run. We're going to have to see, because the 50-day moving average is catching up pretty quickly. And even if this consolidates, the bears could start to gain leverage. So, highest point reached in the day is significant. That was 1442. That needs to be broken through for this to reach newer highs and new resistance levels based off of today's price action. Now, the 50-day moving average is 1302. Anything below that is bearish. Anything above that is bullish. Now, this is in a very tight situation and tug of war. Now, the first support level I would watch beyond the 50-day moving average is down here at 1292. This is in bearish territory, and if it gets broken through, that is something to watch very carefully and see if the bulls try to reappear or if the bears continue to tear this one down fairly fast. Now, $14 and some change up here at 1441, 1440 needs to be broken through significantly to push upwards and build momentum away from the 50-day moving average. But before getting there, I would also use the highest point of this sideways consolidation, and that is 1380, to just see where the momentum is going and if the bulls are pushing upwards and pushing further away from the 50-day moving average. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. Do you think the short squeeze is still in progress? Has it started? Has it not? Or is it just beginning? I look forward to your thoughts down below. If you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post. Share this with a friend so they can receive the insight as well. And all I ask for is 3 to 5 more minutes of your time. I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys that you won't want to miss, as well as the opportunities that were found this morning and the home run that was giving home run possibilities beyond expectations today. Stay tuned. The ticker symbol I have to share with you guys today is one that I've talked about before, and it continues to consolidate and slightly pull back towards the levels we're watching for and I've talked about. But before we look at that chart and discuss what ticker symbol that is, I want to share with you guys the opportunities that were found this morning that I shared with the Discord members. And if that's something that interests you and you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining, you will become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together to maximize profits and minimize losses. So, ADIL was one of the first ones we talked about at 365. This gave about a 10% plus opportunity. ALF gave us a home run opportunity today. We caught it at 927. PXS, we caught it at 97 cents. Gave about 5% on one of its jumps. And then we also talked about BIOC at 485 and VTVT at 273, giving us small jumps of 3 to 5%. Now, our home run of the day was ALF. This is a stock I caught at 927, and it gave us the possibilities of reaching a home run and beyond. We're going to look at the chart in just a moment, but this is a stock that yesterday I saw momentum forming and something told me to keep an eye on it. And here I was talking about it again because we've been talking about ALF since it was back in the fours last week on Monday. And we talked about it again last week towards the end of the week. They gave us 2 home run opportunities last week. And today it gave us beyond expectations. And we're going to look at that in just a moment. So let's go ahead and look at the chart, how it played out. And we're also going to look at the live chart on how it's doing right now. Now, this stock, I mentioned it at 927, way back here in the pre-market, jumped up, pulled back, and it took off to highest point of 80% plus. On the day, it's up 104%, and it's actually higher than that now live. So if this is something that interests you and you want to know what stocks I watch daily, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord. And here it is. It's at $17 right now, up a total of 112% on the day. It's still not stopping. Now, what made it jump, it had no fresh news, and I mentioned it this morning. I mean, I only had volume and the whole entire charts to look at. Just charts and volume at 9 a.m. There is no fresh news as of right now. Now, the funny thing is, something was causing this momentum to go higher and higher. Well, it turns out towards the end of the day, a little bit after in the mid-afternoon around 1:30, almost 2 p.m., they went ahead and stated articles, and if you look it up, you'll find it, ALF, buyback of 2 million. Look it up and it'll come up. Those all went mainstream and headlines, and it's created this momentum to continue. Now, could it continue into tomorrow? It becomes riskier and riskier the higher it goes. Now, I'm going to share with you guys my position and how it turned out, how much I made, and how much I left on the table. So this is what turned out for me. It turned out to be a home run beyond expectations, right? 5 to 10% a regular day, 10 to 20% is a great day, and 20% plus is a home run. Now, my average cost was $9.82. I caught this pretty early in the morning, and we made 36% here, okay? That's what I went ahead and made here, but I didn't take the full amount. So there's still some sitting there, and it's actually higher than that now. I took my initial capital, and I took most of my profits. I just left some there so I could keep it there on my portfolio right in front of me to watch it on how it might react tomorrow. Tomorrow, it's a lot riskier than it was today. Caught it at $9 and around $13 and some change. I pulled it and I left 36% plus on that opportunity. I left some there, and right now that amount is still based off the average cost because I didn't buy any more, and it's still moving upwards, and currently it is up almost 70%, if I'm honest with you guys. And as this continues to move, I think we're about to reach 80% plus on that single position. Now, the ticker symbol I have to share with you guys today is one that I've talked about before, and that is PSFE, PaySafe Limited. Now, this stock is a SPAC merger, and it is in the growth sector, and it's pulling back, making the opportunity even bigger. The closer it gets to $10 or even falls below it, the bigger the opportunity in the long run. Now, this is a stock that is specifically focused on a niche, and I really like the news that I found out about it, that it's actually having to do a little bit with the gambling sector in Europe and looks to expand outside of Europe in that sector and niche itself, because it does digital transactions, right? Like if it's a PayPal or like a Square out in Europe for that specific gambling niche, as well as for gaming, and it looks to expand outside of Europe. So there's a lot of room for this stock in the long term. Analysis ratings are pointing this one to the upside, and you definitely want to do more research and due diligence to understand this stock. As always, this is not financial advice. I'm just here to enlighten you guys on the opportunities I'm watching and why I'm watching them. And thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.